Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buster Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm exploring Te Wānui-a-Tāne. Hey, let me introduce you to some of the most amazingest things in the whole wide world. Plants and trees. Hoake tātou. Kia ora. Hey, check this out, my cuzzies. This rākau is called a pōhutukawa. It's such a special rākau and such a special tree to me because they grow all over our farm. I love it so much because it has a special tohu. When its flowers bloom, that means the kina are fat. I'm up for a dive. Come on, my cuzzies. Hang on a second. The pōhutukawa isn't even flowering. All right, back on to the next rākau. Let's go! Woo! Did you know that plants can be used as rongoa? Medicine! This rākau is called kawakawa. My nana used to make a rongoa out of this for her toothache. Pretty awesome, eh? And check it out. Its leaves are shaped like a heart. Ah, kia ora. Come on! Did you know that plants also give us food? These plants are called taro. Yeah! Did you know, my cuzzies, plants and trees have an amazing superpower? Can you guess what it is? That's right, they create oxygen. And I breathe oxygen. Haki roto. Haki waho. Much better. Come on, my cuzzies. Another great thing about our trees is they give us shade. Much better. All right, back on our missions. But my most favourite thing about Te Wānui-a-Tāne, it's beautiful. Mauri ora. Ka kite anō, my cuzzies. Is that a penguin?